it's Ann. I'm here out in my backyard enjoying the sun, and you might hear some noises in the background because I'm living in a fairly new development, and so they're building right directly behind me. Well, not directly behind me, but to that direction. And so today I am enjoying the sun, and I wanted to come on and tell you what this week's prompt is for my creative year, and that is Galaxy. And I thought I would take it into a different direction, which means I kind of have a challenge for you. I want you guys to go outside, whether it's in your backyard or take a walk or something, take some pictures, bring them back and create something with those pictures, like an art journal page, or get them blown up and frame them, put them in your house as inspiration for your daily journaling. All right, so I hope that you enjoy my take as I challenge you to go out and enjoy your backyard or whatever else. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. Enjoy. So this is the view that I get when I'm inside. And so here's a little bit of inspiration for your creative year. All right, so over the weekend I went to Lake Tahoe, and before we actually went to the actual lake, we took a hike to a place called Eagle Falls, Desolation Valley, and took a hike. And I haven't hiked in a long time. And my daughter's birthday is in June, and she's got stuff going on her actual birthday. So this particular day we decided, I think it was Friday we went, she wanted to celebrate her birthday kind of celebration with us, with her parents, at doing a little hike to these waterfalls. And so you see my hubby in the background there. We found these zen-like formations once we got up to the top of the area of one of the waterfalls. Well, not quite up to the top. It was kind of midway. And so there were these zen-like rock formations that people had built along this particular path that we went on. So that gave me a lot of inspiration. And in the background you can see Lake Tahoe. That's the Emerald Bay side of Lake Tahoe. You can actually take a glass bottom boat where you can see actually down into the bottom of the lake, and it's a really beautiful ride. If you ever get a chance to do that, and if you're ever in Lake Tahoe, I highly recommend it. It's worth every penny to go do that. And so here are the falls, and I just really had a really good time. I took it slow because I suffer from chronic pain and I'm out of shape. I haven't hiked in a long time, so I took it very slow going up. My family beat me up to the top, of course, but I didn't let that get me down. I just kept going at my own pace. I didn't let them rush me or other people rush me, because it is kind of a crowded area. A lot of people like to hike this hike because it's kind of a short hike and it's not real strenuous. So I just took my time, and hubby took this picture of me at the top with Lake Tahoe in the background. And to prove to my son, he texted him this photo, saying that I had actually made it. He wanted to show proof that I actually made it up to the top. And so here is some beautiful scenery, and that this is going to be my challenge to you, is to get out, take some photos, do something that you normally don't do, whether it's take a short walk in your neighborhood, take some inspirational photos and bring them back and use them in your journaling, art journaling for My Creative Year, or go ahead and use those photographs and frame them. Sometimes we take photos and we go, wow, those are really nice, and we don't ever really do anything with them. So my suggestion to you is to frame them and put them up in your art room or your art space, wherever you create. A little bit of inspiration. Here's my hubby taking in the sun. relaxing on a rock and listening to the water. It was a really, water's so relaxing to listen to it, and especially these waterfalls. And there's my daughter with her boyfriend. She didn't want to look up. She hates having her picture taken, kind of like her mom. I really don't like having my picture taken. But yeah, here's one with, like, really, do I have to? With my husband and my daughter. I said, come on, pose for a picture. And the look on her face is like, really, do I have to? Here are some more rock formations and more of the waterfall. And I did find this really cool hollowed out tree, and it's coming up in a minute. So I'm going to leave you here to enjoy the rest of this video, and there is some video of me in the car on our way down to the actual Lake Tahoe, the actual lake. And so I hope that you enjoy the rest of this, and don't forget to check out the Facebook group. I'll post a link down at the bottom to My Creative Year, and I hope that this is some inspiration for you to get out and do something that you normally don't do. So thanks for watching. Bye. Toodles.